Adjectives and their types. What is an adjective? Adjectives are words that describe or modify nouns and pronouns. Examples: beautiful, large, quick, happy. Importance of adjectives. Why are adjectives important? 1. Add detail to sentences. 2. Make language more interesting and vivid. 3. Help express feelings, qualities, and quantities. Types of adjectives. 1. Descriptive adjectives. 2. Quantitative adjectives. 3. Demonstrative adjectives. Point 4. Possessive adjectives. 5. Interrogative adjectives. Point 6. Indefinite adjectives. Descriptive adjective. Describe the quality of a noun, e.g., happy, tall, bright. Examples: a bright day, a tall tree. Quantitative adjectives. Show the quantity of nouns, e.g., many, few, several. Examples: many books, few people. Demonstrative adjectives. Point out specific nouns, e.g., this, that, these, those. Examples: this car, those shoes. Possessive adjectives. Show ownership or possession, e.g., my, your, their. Examples: my book, their house. Interrogative adjectives. Used in questions, e.g., which, what, whose. Examples: which book? Whose car? Indefinite adjectives. Describe non-specific quantities, e.g., some, any, few, several. Examples: some people, several students. Summary. Adjectives are powerful tools that add meaning, clarity, and emotion to language.